First, you open Terminal. Next, you run this command. And you run this command. I want to make sure, so I choose this version. After installing Python, we need to install VS Code, so you access this page. Here are many options, and I think you should choose this option. After downloading, we are installing it. Now you need to CD to the folder which contains the file just downloaded. Maybe your file is in the downloads, and maybe this command will CD to the downloads folder. After CD, you run this command. You've installed the VS Code successfully, right? And you can open the app like this, right? Now we are installing some extensions on VS Code.